Last shift in battle camp for the big guys. Tight game in the final scrimmage of battle camp. Last shift at battle camp. Here comes Bailey. Bailey, very patient with the puck. Looks around for a man. Oh, gets it taken off of him. Bailey playing the cycle perfectly. Oh, a bounce pass. Bounces over Carson's stick. Kenny driving up the boards. Trying to center, it's stolen. Here we go, Carson. Traffic. Oh! Bailey, excellent back checking. Can't quite get the puck centered. Here comes Bailey again. He's got moves. Oh, can't get by Kenny. Oh, Kenny goes down hard in the corner. Carson picks up the puck. Coming up the middle. Now he's on the boards. He's going to blow by us on the boards. Gets his pocket picked. Bailey there to back check. Carson driving, looking to stuff. Nice pass to the point. It was to Bailey. Uh-oh, puck got stolen. Looks like they were trying to pull the goalie. The goalie's out. He was halfway to the bench. Here they come. Oh, nice pass to the point. He's going to walk it in. He's looking to take a shot. Oh! Oh, Kenny can't get the rebound. Time for a new shift. Ellis. Oh, Max pokes it ahead. Uh-oh. Oh, there's Max. Nice poke check by Max. Oh! Good effort by Dylan. Looking to improve on his hand trick. 5 goals today for Dylan. Oh! Bounces right off the big guy. Max isn't going to let him go to the net. Here we go. Oh, he steals the puck. Max is with him. Stick on puck. Good D. Max into the corner. Max battling in the corner. we go! I thought it was Ellis. Oh, it's not Ellis, it's Dylan. Dylan looking to get 6 goals, double hat trick.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.
Denied. Final 3 minutes of battle camp. Big guys are out there. Red and blue team is winning 8-7. Here comes a shot. It's a tie game. 8-8 in the final 3 minutes. They don't call it battle camp for nothing. Wow, this is exciting. Is looking a little dejected. Only 2 minutes left.
There's no stopping us right now.